People are selling art, music, nyan cats, and even tweets as NFTs, and some are making a lot of money from it. So, what's the deal with NFTs, you might wonder? I'm James Jackson for DW Shift. Let's find out. First things first, NFT stands for Non-Fungible Token. Fungible means exchangeable. This means every token is 100% unique, one of a kind. That makes them so valuable. The tokens are stored using blockchain technology. Putting it simply, the blockchain is a peer-to-peer network using blocks to store information and for digital transactions. Wait a minute, does this have something to do with crypto, you may ask? Yes and no. While you might be able to buy NFTs with crypto, NFTs aren't the same thing. Bitcoins, for example, are also stored on the blockchain, but they're fungible tokens. So if I buy one, it's not unique. It's interchangeable with another Bitcoin, which makes sense for a currency. NFTs are unique and not interchangeable, non-exchangeable, but they use the same blockchain technology. Actually, these days, most NFTs use the Ethereum blockchain. The whole hype really only started when Ethereum added new features to its blockchain to store NFTs. NFTs work a bit differently and need extra information to be stored on the blockchain. So what are NFTs being used for? In short, anything digital can be stored as an NFT. Digital art, GIFs, music, anything. Even a tweet can be sold as an NFT, apparently. Twitter founder and CEO Jack Dorsey proved it. He sold the world's very first tweet as an NFT and said he'll donate all the profits to charity. Or do you remember Nyan Cat? The cat Pop-Tart hybrid was an internet phenomenon in 2011. This year, its creator, Chris Torres, published an updated version and sold it as an NFT for $587,000 US. And now, here comes the tricky part. You just saw Dorsey's tweet, and we also showed you the Nyan Cat GIF. Just because they're sold doesn't mean they're going to disappear from the internet. Anyone can screenshot Dorsey's tweet, and anyone can download and watch Nyan Cat poop rainbows on repeat. I'm not saying you should, but you can. So, why are people paying millions of dollars for digital items that can still be seen, watched, or listened to by pretty much everyone who has access to the internet? Well, like any commodity, people want to eventually sell them at a better price in the future. NFTs make digital ownership possible, so there can only be one owner of an NFT at one time. The blockchain makes it possible for everyone to see who owns a particular NFT. But does it make much difference in practice? Will NFTs be the next big thing for collectors? Or will the hype be over soon? Let us know what you think in the comments. Do you want to know how you can make money with NFTs? Then watch out for our next video.